My name is Mark Rodgers. I'm Communications Director of Cape Wind. It's a first fully approved offshore wind farm. It's 5 miles off the south coast of Cape Cod, in between Cape Cod and the islands of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. In average winds, it will provide 3/4 of the electricity needs of the Cape and Islands from a clean, sustainable source. And as we're in the United States right now thinking about the consequences of what our energy choices are, and we see the devastation on the TV news every night about what's going on in the Gulf of Mexico, people want alternatives, and they want safer, cleaner alternatives. And wind power in general, and offshore wind in particular, really can be an important alternative. Not only in terms of providing a lot of clean electricity to the grid, but in the future, I think a lot more of the energy going into cars is going to be coming from electricity and not just from gasoline coming from oil. Increasingly, there's going to be more electric vehicles and there's going to be more plug-in hybrids. And so it's going to matter, where does that electricity come from? You know, if you're getting it from burning coal, you haven't really accomplished very much. But if you're getting it from wind power and other clean sources, then you're really making a big difference. A big advantage of it is it's just a few miles offshore the major population belt of the East Coast, from New England all the way down to the coast of North Carolina. You have a heavy population on and near the coastline, and just a few miles offshore you have an awesome, abundant, inexhaustible source of offshore wind.